it's Natalia, the little vlogger, and today it has been a long, huge timeline since I've sang or made a video. So today I'm going to be singing a Filipino song. Why? Because recently I've been listening to a lot of Filipino, country, folk songs about my home country, like pop. And this is one of them. It's called Sa Susunod na Habang Buhay by Ben and Ben. And I guess I'm gonna start singing, so let's get into it. Ang iyong kandila, init ay wala. Hindi pa pangako mo noong una, tiwala'y ingatan. Baka naman sa susunod na habang buhay ay nalang. Di talaga inasahan magkagulatan tahanan, pinagpaguran. Saan na napupunta? Hindi pa pangako mo noong una, tiwala'y ingatan. Baka naman sa susunod na habang buhay pangako mo noong una, tiwala'y iingatan. Baka naman sa susunod na habang buhay at kahit nabago na habang buhay ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin kung mahalin sa susunod. everybody. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification button, comment down below, and share. Bye!